In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create private apps in HubSpot. This straightforward process will help you tailor HubSpot's robust API capabilities to your unique business needs, enhancing your integrations and automating workflows seamlessly. Let's dive right in. The first step is to log into your HubSpot account. This might seem like an obvious step, but it's crucial. Make sure you're using an account with the necessary permissions to create private apps. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll find a settings icon within the main navigation bar. Click on it to continue. From there, navigate to the Integrations section on the left sidebar and select Private Apps. This is where you'll manage all your custom-built apps integrated into HubSpot. Here, you'll want to locate and click the option labeled Create Private App. This will open a new form where you'll start building your app. First, enter a name for your app. This name should be descriptive enough for anyone who accesses it to understand its purpose at a glance. You also have the option to enter a description to provide more context about the app's functionality. If you have a logo that represents your app or your brand, upload it here to give it a professional look. Next, switch over to the Scopes tab. This crucial area defines the specific HubSpot APIs and data your private app will access. Think of it as setting permissions for your app. Carefully review the available scopes and choose the ones that align with what you want your app to do. Taking the time to select the appropriate scopes is vital for maintaining security and privacy. After that, you'll move on to the Webhooks tab. This is where things get interactive. Under Target URL, you'll input the URL that HubSpot will use to make a post request whenever certain events occur. This setup allows your app to respond to real-time updates in your HubSpot environment. To proceed, click Create Subscription. Subscriptions make your app reactive, allowing you to define specific object types and events, such as creation, modification, or deletion, that will trigger HubSpot to send a notification to your endpoint. Choose the object types pertinent to your tasks and the corresponding events, then click Subscribe to confirm. Finally, once all your settings and configurations are in place, don't forget the crucial last step. Click Save. This action seals all your settings and makes your new app ready to use. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can create a private app on HubSpot that aligns perfectly with your business needs. Whether you're automating tasks or creating new integrations, your private app is now your customized bridge to HubSpot.